Hello, people of the interwebs. Today we're going to make a fresh and healthy Brussels sprout salad. I'm Chef Cash White, and I'm here today because God delivered me from my circumstance and put me in a place where I can share my love of cooking with you. Guys, today we're going to make one of my favorites, a fresh, healthy Brussels sprout salad. Let's get cooking. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off by shredding the Brussels sprouts to make a beautiful slaw like this. And I'll show you how to do that. You're gonna take your Brussels sprout. We have some extra large Brussels sprouts. Remember your 3-finger positioning with your middle finger in the front and these 2 fingers behind. Control your food with your pinky and your thumb, just like this. And get a hole up here and you're gonna cut this very, very, very thin. This is how you're gonna make the slaw. If you have a mandolin, use a mandolin. It'll work. Make sure you're safe with that. Make sure you use the guard. All right, so once you get about 3/4 of the way on the Brussels sprout, you have this root right here. You don't wanna get that. It's very woody. It's gonna be hard to chew. It's gonna be very bitter. So you place your guy flat down, face down like this, and you're gonna chop from the outside like this. Slice it thin, turn it, slice it thin, turn it. You guys get the idea. And then all you have left is just that root. Take this guy, throw it into your bowl, break it up just a little bit, and that's the beginning of our slaw. Now, like I said, this is gonna be a very, very simple recipe. We only have a few more ingredients. The next thing I'm gonna add is gonna be a little bit of green apple. Granny Smith is what I'm using because I like old Granny, she's a sweetheart. Actually, these are really tart and they have a delicious flavor, a little bit of sweetness too. I'm gonna cut these just as thick as I cut that. I want it really, 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 really thin. Slice it real thin like this. Once again, if you have a mandolin, feel free to use it. Awesome. All right, we have our apples in. Next thing we're gonna do, a little red onion. Same idea. We want a uniform thickness on this, almost like a slaw. We're gonna cut the red onion in half long ways, chop the end off. We're gonna take all this extra paper off here. Now, I want very long, thin slices, so we're gonna cut this just like we did our Brussels sprout and our apple. You're gonna need to make sure your knife is really, really sharp for this, guys. Sprinkle it on top. Next thing we have is we have some very thinly sliced almonds. I didn't get any with salt, any that had been honey roasted or anything like that. I just want the natural almond flavor. So I'm gonna give it a little sprinkle in there. Ooh, those red onions get to me. Oh my goodness. Red onions, for some reason, white onions don't bother me. Red onions get me every time. Ooh. So, we got the almonds in there, we got the apples, we got the onions. Now I'm gonna use the juice of a lemon. Squeeze it through your fingers when you get that juice all in here. That way you don't get any seeds, right? You want to keep the seeds out. And the other half. It's gonna be real fresh. It's the whole idea of this. Fresh, healthy, delicious. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna add me about a teaspoon of salt, just a pinch, right? Give this a little toss. Mix those ingredients really good in there. This is really delicious. You get the tartness from the apple and the lemon juice. You get the sweetness from the apple. You get that great onion flavor, that earthy Brussels sprout flavor. And then we're gonna add our secret final ingredient once we get this nice and mixed up. Get those almonds tossed through there really good. Our last ingredient, we're gonna use a little bit of Parmesan Reggiano, add a little bit more saltiness and just kind of bring that earthiness, that earth tone down in there. Just a sprinkle like that. That's it, guys. That is all it takes. Right here, we have our beautiful Brussels sprout salad. I really enjoy things like this, and if you guys are enjoying them too, let me know about it. We're having a blast doing this, and we hope that you guys are enjoying it too. And the most important part of what we're doing, guys, is very simply this. Keep the faith. Enjoy the food. I love you guys. Good night.